Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for the Lenovo Legion S7 15.6-inch 15ACH6 gaming laptop, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module. If you're looking to boost your Legion S7's performance, especially for demanding games or multitasking, this could be exactly what you need. This ATEC module is specifically designed to be compatible with the Lenovo Legion S7 Slim 7 15.6-inch 15ACH6, specifically machine type 82K8. Compatibility is always the first hurdle, and ATEC takes the guesswork out of the equation. It's a single 32GB module, utilizing DDR4 SODIMM 260-pin architecture. The speed is rated at 3,200 MHz, which translates to PC4-25600, PC4-3200AA. This is a significant step up from slower RAM options and will directly impact loading times, responsiveness, and overall system fluidity. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a safe and efficient 1.2V. This is important for laptop users as it helps to manage power consumption and heat. The module is NONECC unbuffered and configured as 2RX8 dual rank X8. This dual rank configuration can offer a slight performance advantage in certain workloads compared to single rank modules. The primary benefit of upgrading to 32GB of RAM is the increased headroom it provides. With more RAM, your system can handle more applications and processes simultaneously without bogging down. This translates to smoother gameplay, faster content creation, and an overall more responsive computing experience. If you find yourself constantly hitting RAM limits, this upgrade is a no-brainer. Installation is designed to be user-friendly. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that can be done at home without requiring specialized expertise. Of course, always refer to your Lenovo Legion S7's manual for specific instructions on RAM installation and channel configuration. ATEC also backs their memory modules with stringent quality control testing. This is reassuring, as RAM stability is paramount. The module is further supported by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty and their tech team. In conclusion, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module appears to be a solid upgrade option for Lenovo Legion S7 owners looking to maximize their laptop's performance. The guaranteed compatibility, fast speeds, and easy installation make a compelling choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.